we're checking out the Acoyer RC280 replacement remote control featuring easy setup, responsive controls, and reliable compatibility for everyday use.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the Acoyer RC280 replacement remote, AAA batteries,
And user manual. Specifications. Smart features.
Works right out of the box with no programming or pairing required for quick replacement use. Simply insert batteries and start controlling your compatible TV immediately. Compatible with many Roku TV models, including brands like TCL, Hisense, ON, and Philips, for dependable replacement use. It is designed to support original RC280 compatible TVs with reliable infrared control. Features quick infrared response and well-spaced buttons for smooth navigation and fast command input. Dedicated controls help make volume, channels, and streaming access simple and convenient. Designed with a compact, lightweight body that feels comfortable to hold during everyday use. Its button layout is easy to reach, making control simple and convenient. How to use. The remote features a simple, well-organized button layout for easy navigation and streaming control. At the top is the power button for turning the TV on and off. Just below it are the back button for returning to the previous screen and the home button for instantly accessing the main menu. The center includes a directional pad, up, down, left, right, with an OK Select button for smooth menu navigation and confirmation. Below that are shortcut function keys, including a return back shortcut, a sleep mode button, crescent icon, and an options settings button, star icon, for quick access to additional controls. The lower section includes media playback buttons such as previous play, pause, and next for easy content control. At the bottom are dedicated streaming app buttons for Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, and Disney+, allowing instant access to popular entertainment platforms.
Safety precautions.
Want to grab the Acoyer RC280 replacement remote control from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Acoyer RC280 replacement remote control. See you at the next one.